future isn't some far-off sci-fi movie anymore. It's already here, taking shape in labs, showrooms, and pre-order pages. We're talking about tech that's not just cool, but usable. Innovations that will actually be available to everyday people, not just billionaires or secret government labs. So buckle up, we're diving into 15 future inventions that are right around the corner. Number 1. Sky Cruise, the flying hotel that never lands. This isn't just a plane, it's an entire resort in the sky. The Sky Cruise is a next-level concept featuring 20 massive engines, designed to carry up to 5,000 passengers without ever landing. It's fully autonomous, meaning no pilots needed. Onboard, think luxury, swimming pools, gyms, a cinema, a shopping mall. It's basically a flying city. And while some skeptics online are calling out the physics, the vision is loud and clear. This is what future air travel might aim for. Number 2. Pearl Suites, floating apartments for resorts. Italy's Lazzarini design studio dropped a sleek idea for resort living Pearl Suites. These compact floating apartments are perfect for water-based resorts. The standard unit is just under 240 square feet, but it's packed with a terrace, bathroom, toilet, and a versatile studio bedroom combo. The roof, made of photochromic glass, folds down so you can sunbathe. And with a small electric motor, these suites aren't stuck in one place. You can actually navigate them around, adding both functionality and a little bit of fun to your vacation. Number 3. Full-size rescue drone with arms. Coming out of Japan. This invention looks like something straight out of a Marvel movie, a full-size drone equipped with 2 mechanical arms. Weighing in at 44 pounds, it can carry up to 22 pounds of cargo and flies at 37 mph. What makes it practical? It can quickly deliver life-saving tools like life rings, especially useful in emergencies. It flies for 30 minutes on a charge, handles bad weather, and reaches heights of 3.1 miles. The real win: it can operate in risky or remote conditions that would be dangerous for people. Number 4. Amphibious air yacht. This isn't your typical luxury yacht. Also from Lazzarini, this hybrid creation combines 2 massive airship-style shells with a full electric-powered yacht. The setup includes 8 electric motors, each packing 950 horsepower, powered by solar panels. In the air, it can hit speeds of 115 mph and on water around 6 mph. Inside are 10 guest rooms, a dining area, and a lounge, all wrapped in panoramic glass. It's not just luxury, it's a glimpse at how future travel could seamlessly shift between sea and sky. Number 5. Microsoft WorkPod Smarter Workspaces. Awarded the Red Dot Design Award, Microsoft's WorkPod concept wants to revolutionize how we work in shared spaces. Instead of boring cubicles, this pod comes with modular side panels with built-in speakers, a removable back panel, and an adaptive system that shifts its layout based on your position. That flexibility is powered by cameras and sensors inside the pod. There's even a touch-sensitive screen for interaction. Bottom line, this is the office booth of the future, sleek, smart, and made for real productivity. Number 6. Emergency power station, the 6.9 kW battery. Power outages are on the rise, and this backup battery is built to handle it. With 6.9 kilowatt-hours of capacity, it can charge your phone 460 times, keep your fridge running for 7 hours, or play TV for 63 hours straight. It has 19 output ports, including USB and electric vehicle chargers, and comes with 2 wireless charging pads. Best part: you can get a full recharge in just 2.5 hours, fast and ready when you need it. Number 7. Futuristic electric SUV concept. From Chinese designer Connor Zhu, this 2-seater EV looks like it came from a video game. Each wheel moves independently, with individual suspension and autonomous controls. There's a clever storage space between the rear wheels for a spare, and the front lights rotate, revealing another set underneath. The design pulls inspiration from rally cars, the Batmobile, and video game vehicles. This isn't just cool design, it's a vision for what everyday EVs might look like in the near future. Or number 8, Mercedes Vision EQX range, king of EVs. The Mercedes-Benz Vision EQX is pushing EV limits with a jaw-dropping 621-mile range on one chart. It's all thanks to advanced aerodynamics, with a drag coefficient of just 0.10. compared to the average car 0 to 3. Inside, it's all about sustainability. Bamboo, vegan silk, mushroom leather, and even materials made from cacti. There's also a solar panel on the roof that can add 16 miles per day under the right conditions. It's sleek, efficient, and a major flex in green innovation. Number 9. Human-powered speed bikes. These bikes aren't just for fun, they're record breakers. Built to be as aerodynamic as possible, they use carbon fiber onboard cameras and computers to guide riders. In 2016, a model called ETA hit a record speed of 90 mph, all using human power. The rider is basically lying flat, like in a Formula One cockpit. It's a mix of engineering, muscle, and serious physics. These bikes show just how far you can push speed using nothing but your own strength. Number 10. Hill X50 Private Helicopter Reinvented. The X50, from UK-based Hill Helicopters, is one of the first clean, sheet helicopter designs in decades. That means it's built from scratch, not just a redesign. It's aimed at private buyers, offering luxury with power of 500 HP engine, cruising speed of 162 mph, and a range of 88 miles. It fits up to 5 passengers, and early models are already open for pre-orders. It's a new kind of flying machine for people who want performance and comfort without corporate-level pricing. Number 11. Hyundai's Modular City Pods. At CES 2022, Hyundai showed off their vision for cities of the future, and it's wild. Their mobility ecosystem is all about modular pods, individual units that connect together like buses. They're designed to help people with limited mobility, and they also tie into autonomous vertical takeoff vehicles. Add in robotics and metaverse integration, and Hyundai's betting big on a city where everything and everyone moves with ease. Number 12. Cryptid 3D Printed Future Sneakers. Designed by German architect Stefan Henrich, these sneakers are printed from TPE, a special polymer known for flexibility, tensile strength, and heat resistance. The material is just 0.4 inches thick, but enough to handle up to 290 EF. The design, inspired by mythical beasts Bigfoot, Nessie, and the Yeti. Walk in these and you might leave behind monster-sized footprints, literally. It's fashion meets tech meets myth. Number 13. Atmospheric Water Generator. Finding clean water isn't always easy, even in modern cities. This sleek device can pull up to 2.5 gallons of water per day straight from the air. It adds in essential minerals like calcium and magnesium, and uses a UV sterilizer to ensure purity. Bonus: it also purifies the surrounding air and helps maintain an optimal humidity level indoors. Clean water, clean air, all in one. Number 14. Finger Control Ring Mouse. Why use a clunky mouse when your finger can do it all? Swiss engineers created a Bluetooth-enabled smart ring that replaces your traditional mouse. It lets you scroll, click, and move the cursor with just finger gestures. It's water-resistant, can handle hand washing or dishwashing, and lasts 24 hours on a charge. Plus, it works for both right and left-handed users. Just make sure your desk is a flat, solid color for best tracking. Number 15. Urban Air Cab Personal Flying Commute. This air cab could make your 45-minute commute a 10-minute flight. It's a 5-seater aircraft built for urban air mobility and features vertical takeoff and landing tech. It can be piloted manually or via autopilot and offers range options from 60 to 150 miles. Whether you're hauling passengers or cargo, this thing's designed to fit into city life, fast, flexible, and futuristic. There it is, 15 future-forward inventions that aren't just concepts, they're coming to real life. Whether it's a flying resort, a walking computer ring, or a personal helicopter, this tech is already moving into the hands of real people. The future isn't a fantasy, it's becoming our reality. What do you think? Pre-order pages. Comment below. And if you found this video interesting, make sure you hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more of these kinds of videos. Thanks for watching.